Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, we will discuss depreciation, and this is our 6th lecture in this chapter. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to calculate depreciation under straight line method. You can able to calculate depreciation under reducing balance or diminishing balance method. Dear student, let's take a math. Dear student, Nafisa Limited purchase a machine for taka 1,05,000 on July 1, 2018. Its installation cost is taka 5,000 and carriage is taka 20,000. The scrap value at the end of economic life is taka 10,000. In 1st April 2019, she purchased another machine costing taka 50,000. The scrap value at the end of economic life is taka 5,000. Economic lifetime of each machine is 10 years and the accounting period of the company ends on 31st December. Dear student, what we have to do? We have to find the amount of depreciable value of machine. We have to calculate amount of depreciation in straight line method. We have to calculate depreciation under reducing balance method. Dear student, solution. Depreciable value, dear student, all of you know that depreciable value, the formula I have discussed earlier, purchase price of asset plus other direct expenses minus scrap value. That means the depreciable value, how we can calculate depreciable value is purchase price of any asset plus other direct expenses minus scrap value. That means with the purchase price of asset we have to add other direct expenses minus scrap value. So if we see that for first machine our depreciable value is 1,05,000, it is purchase price, then other direct expenditure is 5,000 and 20,000, that means 25,000, and scrap value is 10,000. So for first machine depreciable value is 1,05,000 plus 5,000 plus 20,000, 1,30,000 minus 10,000, that means 1,20,000. In the requirement only for first machine we have to find the amount of depreciable value, but if for second machine it required, then what will be the value? Look at, for second machine they have purchased it with cost of taka 50,000 and scrap value is 5,000. So 50,000 minus 5,000, it is 45,000. So dear student, I hope all of you understand depreciable value. Then now depreciation under straight line or fixed installment method. Dear student, you know that depreciation under straight line method means every year we have to pay same amount of depreciation. We have to charge same amount of depreciation. So the formula of yearly depreciation, very first class I have discussed. For yearly depreciation, purchase price plus other direct expenses divided by estimated lifetime, then you will get the yearly depreciation. That means depreciation per year you will get. So for first machine, what will be the formula? You know that 1,05,000 it is purchase price. Look at 1,05,000 it is the purchase price, then other expenses 5,000 plus 20,000 and scrap value is 10,000. So purchase price 1,05,000 plus 5,000 plus 20,000 minus scrap value 10,000 divided by estimated lifetime 10 years. That means every year the amount of depreciation, the yearly depreciation is 12,000. Then for second machine, what will be the yearly depreciation? Let's see the value of second machine. Look at second machine, purchase price is 50,000. There is no other direct expenditure here, so only scrap value will be subtracted. Scrap value, you know that other name of scrap value is salvage value or residual value. That means at the end of the economic lifetime, what will the value will get from the asset, that is the scrap value. So for second machine, the annual depreciation 50,000 minus 5,000 divided by 10, because estimated life for both the machine is 10 years. So 4,500 is yearly depreciation. So I hope all of you understand, dear student. For first machine yearly depreciation is 12,000 and for second machine yearly depreciation is 4,500. Now what amount of depreciation will charge, dear student? Therefore depreciation for 2018, look at when we purchase this machine at 1st July. That means the beginning of July you have purchased this machine. That means in 2018 depreciation will be charged for, you know that, for July, August, September, October, November, December. That means for 6 months we can charge the depreciation. So for depreciation for 2018 will be 12,000 is yearly depreciation, and for 6 by 12, that means for 6 months it is 6,000. So dear student, for 2018 depreciation is 6,000 because 2018 we have only one machine. Second machine we have bought on 2019. So 12,000 is yearly depreciation, and for 2018 it is only 6,000. And now for 2019 we have 12,000. This is for first machine. This time we used first machine whole year. So if it is we have 12,000. And for second machine, how long we use it? Look at second machine. When we purchase it uh, April, on 1st of April we purchase second machine. So we purchase second machine when 1st of April. So dear student, for 1st of April means April to December it is 9 months. So for first machine we have to charge depreciation, for second machine we have to charge depreciation for 9 months. That means 4,500 yearly depreciation. Into 9 by 12, it is 3,375 if you calculate it. So dear student, for 2019 total depreciation is 15,375. And for 2020 it is easy. First machine whole year, second machine also whole year, so it is 16,500. So this will be the depreciation in straight line method. Now reducing method. Dear student, last class also we have discussed under reducing method we need to open a box: year, opening value, rate of depreciation, time, calculation, then depreciation and closing value. Dear student, rate of depreciation, the formula last class I have discussed. Rate of depreciation equals to 100 divided by estimated lifetime into 2. Dear student, if you see the math, the estimated lifetime for both machine, it is 10 years. Lifetime is 10 years. So what will be the rate of depreciation? The rate of depreciation will be 100 divided by 10 into 2, that means 20%. So year 2018, opening value 1,30,000. How you get it? Look at opening value. We have cost of machine. Look at opening value for first machine 1,05,000, then add 5,000, then carries 20,000, that means 1,30,000. And for second machine it is only 50,000. So dear student, opening value for first machine it is 1,30,000. Second machine it is only 50,000. Second machine it is only 50,000. So 1,30,000, 20% for 6 months, because we bought this machine 1st of July. So 6 month, 1,30,000 into 20% into 6 by 12, it is 13,000 depreciation for 2018. So what will be the closing value? You know that opening value minus depreciation, then closing value is 1,17,000. So in the 2019 opening value it is 1,17,000. 20%. This year we will use whole year 1,17,000 into 20%, that means 23,400. 1,17,000 is opening value from 2018. That means 1,17,000 is opening value, and 20% is the rate, and this is 1 year. 1,17,000 into 20%, that means 23,400. So closing value is 93,600. And for another machine it is value, purchase price is 50,000 and rate is 20%. 9 months. Dear student, why 9 months? Look at what 9 months, because we have bought this machine 1st of April. We have bought this machine at 1st of April. So 1st of April it is 2019. So this time we have to charge depreciation for 9 months. We have to charge depreciation for how many months? For 9 months. So 50,000 into 20% into 9 by 12, that means 7,500. 7,500. 50,000 into 20%, 9 by 12, 7,500. So 23,400 for first machine. For second machine 7,500. So total is 30,900. And the closing value of second machine is 50,000 minus 7,500. It is 42,500. And for 2020 90,600, it is 20% for 1 year. 90,600 into 20%, that means 18,720. 18,720. The amount is 18,007. This time no month, this is for full year 74,880, and for new machine 42,500, 20% for 1 year 42,500, 20%, and 8,500 it is the depreciation for this year. So total depreciation 18,720 plus 8,500, 27,220. The closing value is 34,000. Again, I am telling, if you have any types of confusion, you can discuss with me, you can share with me. Dear student, I hope all of you are fine. Stay home, stay safe. May Allah help all of us. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.